Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a letter logo design. This is a typography design pattern. So it's very simple, very easy. Just watch this video to the end. You can learn something from here. So no matter talk, let's begin today. So what we're going to do, I need to select all the things first of all, so a little bit bigger, and I keep to the corner side as before done it. So what we need to do, just go to the dashboard over here. You see so many tools over here, but I need just one tool. Which one that? So see, by pressing over here, you see here also 6 or 7 total tools. But I need just one tool. Which one is important? This is polygon tool. So I click over here and just click here. You see it may 6 default setting, but I set it just 3 sides 3. You see? So I click over here. You see how is exactly opening. So I need to just color over here. Just for clear the object, go up a little bit bigger, that a little bit bigger. Yes. So what we need to do, I just do this sign. You see, this is sign. If I turn over here, it will be all the exactly round shape. So what we need to do, I just select over here, direct selection. Go to the over here, go to the direct selection. Now, what happened is there, select all the things here, let it be like that. See, let it be. Yes, exactly. It's happening. So, what's more than it to do? Let's go to the again over here, click ellipse tool to the center of this round shape. I just go by pressing Shift and Alt key a little bit here to the center like that. I think it's okay. So what we need to do, I go to the click over here and just press to the Alt key, You see, by pressing Alt key, just keep to the like that. I just a little bit here, put it over here, and that means I copy another one. So I select all the things, go to the shape builder tool, you see, and by pressing Alt key again, go to the arrow here, you see how this magic is still magic. So Illustrator is the magic to doing any logos. So we're going to the I go to the like data shape. I just go to the pen tool and just click over here and get to the like that and go over here selection tool or press B. So I go to the but I need to go to the this curvature tool or shift plus like that. So I need a little bit here like that. By pressing shift key, it will be good. You see what is happening. So again, I need to go to the pen tool. I just need like that. Little bit, yeah. I think exactly happened. But I need to go over here again and little bit like that. here. I think that's fantastic. Right here, so it's just dominating the upper side, but I will be solved. Just get to the orange or it go on. See, ready. I have success. Everybody. I think a little bit smaller and big. So I need a little bit over here to see how it's happening. You see? Okay, a little bit downside. See? It's exactly. But I think right now it's exactly happening. So it's good, but I need to go to the over here object, go to the expand all the things. Okay. So I need to now just to like that select all the things and ungroup all the things. So will be more better. Yeah, ungroup. Yes, done. So I need to now just select all the things and go to the over here. There, change the color. Okay, color is okay. Color okay. Color like that. Okay, this color. Okay, so I need to go again back to the over here again. Select. Now just go to the. I need to just change a little bit color there. Okay, change the color, and I need now change also red color. Circle. Yeah, you see, it's exactly what I wanted. No difference between that one. See, it's fantastic design, but very simple, very common, but it is very gorgeous and colorful, modernized design. So let's finish over here. Thanks for watching.